So hello guys, so today we are going to see the next question in this SQL series, that is weather observation station 10. So in this question they are saying that we have to write the query to extract the city names which are not ending with OL. Okay, so we have to find the such city names which are not ending with OL. So first of all I will show you in MySQL, because in MySQL we can use the regex. So using that regex we can write the query. Okay, so we will start query. Okay, select. Okay, here we wanted the city name, so that's why we will write city, select city, sorry, from station. Okay, so station is the table name. Now we wanted that which are not ending with OL. So here we will write the condition where we want to use regex on which city. Okay, we want to use regex on this city column, means which city we are extracting. Okay, city reg exp. Okay, so this is the syntax, and now we have to write the regex, okay, which matches or not matches with that city name. Okay, so now what we have to find that do not end with OL. Okay, so first of all I will write the OLs, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so in regex this, okay, डॉलर साइन एट द एंड बताता है कि हमें कौन से वर्ड से एंड करना है. ओके, इफ आई राइट लाइक दिस AEIOU in group and dollar, then okay, we will run now. I will show you. Okay, select city from station where city regex. Okay, so तो हर वर्ड के एंड में अभी सिर्फ ओवेल ही है. ओके, तो ये रिजेक्ट किसके लिए हो गया कि जिन सिटी के नाम के एंड में ओवेल है तो वो फाइंड करने के लिए हो गया. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट एंडिंग. अगर मैं इधर नॉट लगा देता हूँ, ओके, अपना एक्स और वाला साइन, so if we write like this is a not sign, means which we do not want to end with these letters AEIOU. now I will run the code. okay, तो अभी AEIOU छोड़ के दूसरे लेटर OL से एंड होने वाले सिटी नेम दिखाई देंगे आपको. ओके, सो तो ये एरर क्यों आ रहा है? ओके, आई थिंक ओके, so here we have to write the distinct because we wanted distinct city names. So now we will run the code. yeah bhai, run ho jana. Yeah, that's the thing. So now we will see the code in Oracle, because in Oracle there is no regex. Okay, we cannot use the regex p syntax. Okay, so in this Oracle thing, now we will first of all we will find the last letter of the city name. Okay, so first of all I will show you how we will find that. Okay, select city, comma, now I will take the substring thing. Okay, in Oracle we can find the substring using substr. This is the syntax. अभी इधर क्या करना है, सिटी नेम. ओके, सिटी का जो आएगा उसमें से वी वांटेड द लास्ट वर्ड. ओके, फ्रॉम -1 से स्टार्ट करना है और उसकी लेंथ होगी 1. ओके, लास्ट वाली. सो फ्रॉम, ओके, आई विल राइट द सिंटैक्स. फ्रॉम आवर टेबल नेम इज व्हाट, भूल गया यार, स्टेशन. ओके, so that is station. So now we will run the code. We will see first what it is happening. Okay, so we have written here, yeah, this is our first, this is our city name. okay, and this is the substring, okay, that we have finded out. This is the yes, okay, yes, or the last word, the last letter that we. So now I will put this in a condition, okay. So मैं ये where condition में यूज करूँगा substring, okay, जो हमने find किया था इधर, ये yes, okay. This should not be a e I o u, that's the condition and that's it. I will write the things, okay. ओ ये कंट्रोल एक्स क्यों नहीं वर्क हो रहा है यार, कंट्रोल एक्स हो रहा है, सही है, लैपटॉप सही है. वेयर control v, okay, this thing, this substring not in, okay, we want to create one group, okay, not in and sorry, not in a group, okay, we will make a group of ovals a e I o u, okay. So that's the thing, means what we are saying that अपन क्या कह रहे हैं कि ये यस जो है ये इस ग्रुप में होना नहीं चाहिए, ए ई आई ओ यू के एक भी सदस्य होना नहीं चाहिए, मेंबर ऑफ दैट. अभी ये ए आएगा, ये वाली कंडीशन इधर फेल हो जाएगी बिकॉज ये नॉट इन है. अभी इसमें इस ग्रुप में ए है तो ये कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाएगी, okay. So like that, so we'll run the code now, okay. Okay, our problem, distinct problem, distinct, और थोड़ा अच्छा लगने के लिए इसको भी कैपिटल कर देते हैं, select. I'll run the code and that's the end of video. भाई अरे what is the thing, error from keyword not found where expected, what is this, select distinct, select city from distinct, क्या हो गया यार, कंट्रोल एक्स इधर चाहिए क्या, कंट्रोल एक्स select distinct city है क्या, I think yeah that's the thing. बस क्या यार, yeah, and that's the thing. So thanks.